The service will be showcased with several demonstrations and replicators.
There will be 3 replications for these services in 3 different climates and 3 different kind of region for construction code.
The first use case of the project will be demonstrated in Egaleo, which is a municipality in West Athens.
We will demonstrate in Aveiro port, then we'll replicate the system in Port of Piraeus and Port of Rhodes to evaluate the downtime of the ports. In the last round in Port of Dunkirk, when we will find all the oceanographic conditions to a good activity of the port.
The first one will be held in France with municipalities which have different problems on occurrence of the risk and dissociation with the predisposition sites. The second one will be held in Greece, in Rhode Island, on the Mediterranean climate, and the last one will be held in Poland with a continental climate.
The service is going to demonstrate with 3 of the use cases in France, Greece and Portugal.
It was chosen in Aveiro because it's a very rich domain, a very rich ecosystem that has many industries, from aquaculture to fisheries to shellfish to tourism. So the influence of some climate hazards may affect a lot of industries in the inside of lagoons.
This municipality has a high percentage of vulnerable communities, including elderly population, economically vulnerable groups, and also a high amount of women or lone families population which is exposed to climate change. We want to deliver a very high degree of interoperability with the other EOSC services, and to this extent we are trying to formulate a multi-level approach for the climate data that we are going to produce, for the climate indicators that we are going to use, and of course for the risk and resilience assessment that will be delivered in the project and will be linked to climate adaptation scenarios. This will be verified in a way that will be made available for all the EOSC partners, and of course through the EOSC channels.
We will deploy our AI models, which is capable to do the video analytics system, which is the core of our service in the EOSC cloud node. Any user can use it for their analytics system. The use case people can also use our models to analyze their data out the EOSC node.
One of the other partners that we have is CNCA. They are well connected with the EOSC, so they will help us to use the IT services from EOSC. And then we prepare these services, the OpenCoast and Hydralerta, the final OpenHydra, to use those IT services and then to go for the onboarding process to submit the final service to EOSC infrastructure. Then we'll use services like AGI authentication, containerization of the codes, and other IT services to join the EOSC, the safe mode, so to be available for all the researchers.
This service is not only to develop services, it's mainly about to help to understand and to develop more fair data